What's up, party people, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanichi, and today I'm doing a review type of video on these gel strips that I applied about a week ago. I got them from Target for about $7. They are the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. There you go. This is the color and style that I got. They had like one or two other styles. I am just super surprised that this past week, these nails have withstood me washing dishes, and today doing a wash and go on my hair. I shampooed my hair. I was not gentle. I was scratching my scalp. I conditioned it, combed it out with a wide tooth comb, but when I styled it with my oil, my cream, my gel, and my mousse, and was running my fingers through my hair, these nails have withstood the challenge. They are still intact. They are not lifting. They did snag a few times on my index finger and my thumb. On my index finger, I understand why, because I kind of put the gel strip on top of my cuticle, but look, they are still good to go. This is an easy, quick DIY quarantine nail set. The only bad thing is the shape of the nail. For me, is it's more round. It's more like a round generic shape, and my nail on my thumb and a few other nails are more square, so you can kind of see my nail on the sides, but from far away you can't tell. Like, come on, they're nice. It's undeniable, and I'm definitely going to get these again and apply them again, especially once my nails get longer. My nails were a little my nails are a little short at the moment because I had to cut them down, but yeah, these are good to go. So if you guys want to see me apply a set of these gel strips, like and or comment below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be coming out with more content. And thank you guys for watching, and have a great day. Just one more time. One more time. Huh? What's that? What's that? All right, guys. Bye.